Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see group by. So I have table 1 and table 2 where I am getting the salary of the table 1, 2 and table 2 as by using a left join. So let's say let's look into the data model first. So over to here, let's say into the data model I have Amit, Darshan and Sukhi where I have B2B example or B2B values or salary for Amit and Sukhi where 340B doesn't has any salary for Darshan. So I'm going to edit this and say that this is going to be Mr. Ankit and now I'll have the salary for everybody. Okay, so let's go forward and see how I can use group by to get a consolidated view or consolidated salary for the sales rep role. So in the front end, I'm just going to show you a simple example that what we are going to compute from the back end. Yes, you can do it from the front end itself, but we are going to learn how group by works. So I'm going to add this role and I'm going to add salary as sum. As you can see, I have this particular value over here. So let's say we have to get this value from the back end, not from the front end. So how you can do that? Very simply, what you can do is first you will use resident load to load the data from the table 1. So I'm going to say group salary and over to here I'll say load. I'll say star resident from this table. Okay, what I need sales rep role. I'm going to add that and I need the sales rep salary. Okay, these two is something that I need. So over to here, what I will do is I'm going to say, oh sorry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that I want a sum of salary as salary by role. Okay, and these are sales rep role. Okay, so if I just load this, I will get an error saying that it is an invalid expression and you will not understand what is wrong. So if you are going to use an aggregation function like sum, you need to have a group by. So I am going to say I want to group by and you need to add all the dimension available in your particular column or particular table which you are loading. You need all the columns from there. If you have, let's say, one more column called as sales rep name, you need to add it over here in the group by. So over to here, let's load it, and now let's look into the data model. So we will have two tables linked to each other. I can get rid of this fish table, and over to here, as you can see, we have two tables where this is the salary and I can see salary wise role, which is 46000 and 2000. Over to here, this is the same value as the front end. So in this way you can create your aggregated table from the back end and you can call it in the front end. So let's say I just go ahead and remove this column, and instead of this I am going to take the salary by role and I am going to sum it up and I will have that data over here. And let's say if I just add the sales rep name, so now it is going to be distorted. See, so as you can see, the group by did not had the sales rep name. That is why it is not grouping up that value, as it is giving you Amit and Sukhi are belonging to B2B, and it is showing their salaries as 46000 same, which is wrong. So you need to know what you are grouping into, and what level do you want to group into. So sales rep name are not a part of it, but yes, sales rep name can be used as a filter. So if I select Amit, so I know Amit belongs to B2B, where the overall salary is around 46,000. Okay, so this is how the analysis could work.